This Australian Defence Force MRH-90 helicopter has become a familiar sight over the district of Torokina in Bougainville. Launching from the flight deck of HMAS Choules, the MRH-90 provides critical support to Operation Render Safe 14, particularly to the multinational Explosive Ordnance Disposal teams.
Our daily routine so far has been to insert EOD teams to the airstrip here in Torokina, area of operations, and then also conduct vert trap load lifting into the same areas. And then as the teams finish their tasks ashore, to bring them back to the ship for respite. And we've also been used on numerous occasions to do logistics runs to and from Bouka.
The operational tempo, terrain, weather and flying conditions provide the aviation team from HMAS Albatross a real opportunity to become better acquainted with this relatively new aircraft.
As far as performance on the aircraft, yep, hot and humid. This aircraft's originally designed for operations in the European type theatre, so yeah, we're getting a bit of a workout at the moment.
Given the operation's main focus is the removal and safe destruction of explosive remnants of war, the MRH-90 took centre stage when it assisted in the transportation of World War II era munitions from remote jungle locations via cargo sling to a secure beach in preparation for disposal. Once secured on the beach, a heavy forklift was used to transport the World War II era munitions onto a Royal Australian Navy barge. Also prepped for destruction, 3 US manufactured Mark 12 sea mines still in their cases. Once at sea, the responsibility for the actual disposal fell to a team of Australian clearance divers.
So there's no real difference underwater. You just need to make sure everything is waterproofed and that you've primed all your charges correctly so that everything's going to function. Of course, in the water things like to float and move around with the surge, so we need to sandbag stuff down as well so it doesn't get away from us.
The ordnance isn't just dumped randomly at sea. The divers carefully selected a location which would minimise impact on the environment and tick all of the necessary safety boxes.
The site's about 4 kilometres to the north-northwest of where Choules is located at the moment. It's in just over 20 metres of water. It's a nice flat sandy bottom. It's actually a bit like a desert down there. We've seen pretty much nothing. So it's a perfect disposal area for this ordnance. We don't have any troubles finding it, and it's quite easy to get down there and do our work. Yeah, we love it. I mean, we're out in the boats, we're getting wet every day, and then we go out diving and get to blow stuff away, which is a pretty good job.